This is a family-run osteria, a few minutes walk from Piazza Maggiore. It's led by Lorenzo, who's also the chef. The De Maitei family have been in the business for a long time and have even helped to carve out a certain style in the Bolognese osteria, starting from Osteria dell'Orfeo, the Sette Chiese and the restaurant Da Châtelet in Monguidoro. The ancient interior is beautifully decorated and romantically lit up. They cater to groups and special occasions, and as the space demonstrates, there is ample room to hold a party or two here. They have a long established tradition of opening hours into the early hours, usually kicking off around 8 PM and finishing anywhere between 2 and 3 AM. Their primi piatti consist of the typical crostini misti and huge plates of salami cuts. A speciality is the tonno toscano. Osteria Grifoni hasn't been opened long, however with a good reputation behind them and a strong good feel factor here, visitors will no doubt look forward to coming back.